Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a disabled Facebook or Meta ad account. My own account hasn't been disabled, but I've studied this process closely and I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know, step by step. If your ad account was recently shut down, this video can help you understand what to do next and how to improve your chances of getting it back. First, if your ad account is disabled, the most important thing is not to panic. Meta often disables ad accounts for different reasons. Sometimes it's because of a real policy violation. Other times, it could be a mistake from their automated systems. Either way, there are a few options you can try to solve it. One of the best things you can do is request a review through Meta's Account Quality section. Go to your Business Manager, find the Account Quality tab, and look for any alerts about your disabled ad account. There should be an option to request a review or submit an appeal. When you do this, make sure to be polite and professional. Don't write an angry message. Instead, explain that you believe your ad account follows Meta's advertising policies and ask them to review the case again. If you think you made a mistake in one of your ads, it's okay to admit it. You can say that you understand the rules better now and will follow them in the future. Sometimes Meta responds quickly. Other times, it may take several days. If you don't get a reply or if the appeal is rejected, you can still try talking to a real person. Meta has a support chat for business users. You can access it by going to the Meta Business Help Center. Scroll to the bottom of the page and look for a contact or chat option. It may not be visible for every account, but if it is, use it. When the chat opens, explain your issue and ask if the agent can take another look at your account. The support team can sometimes escalate your case or give you more details about why your account was disabled. If none of that works, there is still one more option, and that is to create a new ad account. But you have to be very careful with this step. Don't reuse the same payment method, the same domain, or the same ad content that may have caused the original account to be disabled. Meta tracks all of those details. If they think you're trying to get around their system, the new account may get shut down as well. Wait a few days, use a different browser or clear your cache, and then set up a new business manager using fresh details.